In this video, I will show you how to install additional fonts for Google Docs. If you want to know how to install custom fonts to Google Docs, we've got some bad news. At the time of writing, Google doesn't offer a feature that allows users to add their own fonts to Google Docs. So here are the steps on how to install additional fonts. The font extension will be installed and will be available for you to use in Google Docs. Once you have installed additional fonts in Google Docs, you can use them just like any other font.